making a simple home-style dish that's also perfect for the Lunar New Year. The vibrant red of the chili represents a prosperous and thriving life, symbolizing good fortune in the year ahead. The tofu's name in Chinese sounds like great luck and prosperity, and its square shape also symbolizes integrity and completeness. Just 3 ingredients: dried shrimp with chili, firm tofu, and sweet bell peppers. And guess what? The dried shrimp with chili is leftover from my food delivery order. How's that for recycling? Cut the firm tofu into chunks and chop the bell peppers into small pieces. Set aside. Add cooking oil to the pan. Put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the tofu chunks and fry until golden brown. Adding salt before frying creates a light seasoned crust on the tofu so it absorbs flavor better. It also helps prevent the tofu from sticking to the pan, and it gives the tofu a firmer texture that holds its shape during cooking. Once the tofu is fragrant and golden, add the dried shrimp with chili and stir-fry together until the aroma releases. You can easily find dried shrimp with chili at most supermarkets. If you have a favorite brand, feel free to leave a comment and share it with everyone. I personally really like the dried shrimp chili sauce from Sekinchinama's house. I've even spotted it in supermarkets before. If you'd like to buy some, just scan the QR code that appears in my video to purchase it directly on Shopee. Once you smell the fragrant aroma of the dried shrimp, add the chopped bell peppers. For seasoning, adjust according to the dried shrimp chili you're using. Some brands come pre-seasoned, so skip the salt to avoid making it too salty. If it's too dry, just sprinkle a little water along the edge of the wok. And just like that, this simple dried shrimp chili fried tofu is ready to serve. It's an easy home-style dish that's super appetizing and perfect with a bowl of steamed rice. Here's a little secret. I actually originally planned to stir-fry these tofu chunks with wild garlic sauce, but I grabbed the wrong ingredient and ended up creating this new home-style dish that my family and I absolutely love. Hope you'll enjoy it too. I'll save the sesame tune sauce fried tofu for next time. I recently bought a jar of sesame tune sauce that tastes amazing, so I'll be cooking up more sauce-based recipes in the coming days. Perfect for festive seasons, having sauces like this dried shrimp chili sauce on hand makes cooking so much easier. You can whip up all kinds of delicious dishes with it in no time. You can also add long beans or okra to this dish. It's a great way to balance protein and fiber in one meal. Dried shrimp chili is a common seasoning sauce made primarily from dried shrimp and chili peppers. It is typically stir-fried or ground with ingredients like garlic, shallots, and all, resulting in a savory, slightly spicy flavor with a rich seafood aroma. This versatile sauce is often used in stir-fries, noodle dishes, or as a dipping sauce to quickly add depth and fragrance to meals. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Wishing you a year ahead as vibrant and prosperous as the red chilies in this dish. May your days be fiery with passion and filled with good fortune. Like the golden fried tofu, may your family enjoy completeness, unity, and lasting happiness. And just as the dried shrimp brings depth of flavor, may the year ahead bring you rich blessings and unforgettable moments. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.